Assalamu alaikum everyone to my YouTube channel Online English Tutor. Today's topic is very important because today we are going to learn noun phrase. We know that it's very important topic in English grammar. So I hope that you will enjoy this class from first to last and you will be able to learn something new from this topic. So today's topic is noun phrase. At first, we will know what is noun phrase. Noun phrase is a group of words that works like a noun. That means there are more than two or more than words make noun phrase. So, noun phrase can be used as subject, object, or complement of a sentence. That's why it's very important. For example, the little boy is playing. The little boy is playing. Here, the little boy is a noun phrase. Okay? And it works as a subject. Okay. So, the little boy is a noun phrase in this sentence. There are many structures of noun phrase and we will learn it very easily. Some now I will show you some simple formulas of noun phrase one by one. Okay, simple formulas. Noun phrase means a group of words with a main noun. That means here we will find a head noun or main noun because here we will find two or more words as a noun phrase, but one word will be main word or head word. The main word is called the head word. We can know that the main word is called head word. Okay, so now the first structure of noun phrase. There are many structures of noun phrase and formulas of noun phrase. Okay, so the first structure is determiner or article plus adjective plus noun. That means we'll find determiner or adjective, that means plus adjective and noun. Pattern is a, an, or the, then adjective plus noun. Some examples. Okay, I am showing you some examples. These examples are, the first one is the little boy solved the puzzle. Here the little boy is noun phrase and the little boy is subject in this sentence. She bought an expensive watch. Here we find that an expensive watch is a noun phrase and here and is determiner and expensive is adjective and was is noun and it is the head noun or main word in this phrase. Okay, so we can know that an is an determiner, expense is adjective, and was is the head noun. A happy girl is singing. Here, girl is head word, happy adjective, and a is determiner. So, this is a noun phrase. This is a noun phrase. Okay. Then, explanation of these examples. A and the tell us which noun we are talking about, that means we're talking about the head nouns. Adjective tell us more about the noun, that means head noun or head word. So noun is the main word here. Okay. Example, the little boy, the determiner, little adjective, and the boy main noun or head noun. So now we'll see structure 2. Structure 2 is about noun plus prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase means this phrase consists of preposition. Okay, but here the pattern is like this: noun plus preposition plus noun. It is called prepositional phrase. Okay, that means it can be used as a prepositional phrase, but it is noun phrase actually. The roof of the house. Here we find that the roof of the house is a noun plus prepositional phrase. Here, the roof. Here the roof. Okay, I am marking it clearly. Here the roof of the house. There the house is noun and the roof is noun. That means of is preposition and in front of the of is roof and the house after it also noun. So noun preposition plus noun. That means the roof is noun, of and the house is noun. So the example is the roof of the house was damaged. Okay, and it works as a subject in this sentence. She met a woman of courage. A woman and courage. Nouns. That means both are noun. Okay. The color of the sky is blue. The color of the sky is blue. Here the color is noun and the sky is noun. So is blue here. The color of the sky is subject, and in this sentence the woman of courage is complement. Here this is, that means a woman of courage is complement. She met a woman of a courage. Sorry, she met a woman of the courage. Woman of courage. It's not complement. It's object because she met. She, not she is. Okay. Then structure 3. Structure 3. Noun plus and or plus noun. Example, bread and butter is his favorite breakfast. Here, bread and butter, that means bread, butter connected with conjunctions and, that means and is conjunction words. Okay, so and connects to noun bread and butter. Here and connects bread and butter. So bread and butter is the subject of the sentence and works as a noun phrase. You can bring a pen or a pencil. So a pen or pencil object and it's a noun phrase. Okay. Rohim and Purim are friends. Here, Rohim and Purim are subjects. That means Rohim and Purim here is subject. Okay. So now we will see the another structure, that means number 4 structure. determiner plus noun plus more information. That means here we will find a determiner and then noun, and you will get some information about the noun. Sometimes we put extra words after a noun to give more information about it. Example, the girl standing near the gate. Here, the girl is head noun or the main noun, and standing near the gate is more information about the girl, the position of the girl where she's standing. So she's standing near the gate. So it's about more information. That means the standing near the gate is more information about the girl. Okay, he's my sister. The boy playing football is my friend. So the boy is the main noun. That means head word in this noun phrase. And playing football is more information about the boy. So the boy playing football is my friend. Okay. Then another example, sorry, now I will discuss another structure, structure number 5, possessive plus noun or possessive plus noun. Pattern, my, your, his, her, our, their, its plus noun. Or Rohim's or Karim's apostrophe s use. That means we will use apostrophe s with noun or names. So Rohim's plus noun. For examples, my father's car is outside. Here, father, then apostrophe s, father, then apostrophe s. And so father is noun, father is noun, and we add apostrophe s. So father's, my father's car is outside. Okay. Then my and father's apostrophe s both are possessive. Everyone admired her dedication. There, her used as possessive with noun dedication. So this is noun phrase. Rohim's book is on the table. So Rohim's book is noun phrase here. Okay, their house is very beautiful. Their house is noun phrase. So here, there, here, my, and here, her, they are used as adjective because they can modify the noun. Okay, so these words show ownership. That means these possessives or these words show ownership. For example, my book, her bag, Poem's pens, their house. This all express the ownership of things like book, bag, pen. Okay, so structure number 6, noun plus noun. Examples, he put his wallet on the dining table. Here, dining table, 2 nouns. Okay, the train ticket, train and ticket, train is a noun, ticket is also another noun. So they sit beside one another. So so that train ticket, here the train ticket is noun phrase. Okay, the train ticket was expensive. Then another example is my father bought a school bag. Okay, school also noun, bag also noun. That means the first noun here is You should know about this. That means when we will see two noun or put two noun side by side, the first noun works as an adjective. The first noun works as an adjective because this first noun can modify the another noun bag. That means school bag. Which types of bag? It's school bag. It is not ordinary bag or another bag. It is school bag. That means school, this noun can modify this bag. Okay, some more examples. She is reading a storybook. She is reading a storybook here. Story is a noun also. Book also is a noun. So this a storybook is a noun phrase. Okay. Sometimes one noun comes before another noun. The first noun gives more information about the second noun. I already have told about this. Example, school bag. It is a bag, but what kinds of bag, right? School bag. Okay. Structure 7, infinitive phrase. Pattern. So now I am showing you the patterns of this. Two base verb plus other words. Examples, to learn English is fun. So, to learn English is fun. Here, to learn English, that means it works as a subject and is verb of this sentence. So, to learn English is a phrase, To play football, just like noun phrase, to play football, and works as a subject of this sentence here. And she wants to buy a new dress is also a noun phrase and works as an object in this sentence. So you can see this and structure 4. Gerund phrase, you can see this one is gerund phrase. Okay.